telescopic rod with 8 levels. It is very simple and convenient to assemble and use. It adopts innovative separation fiber technology, which does not generate static electricity during use, and it can easily remove dust, pollen, and hair stains. For added protection, the soft rubber tip helps to prevent the top of the duster from scratching surfaces. The long and fluffy microfiber strands collect dust without leaving any scratches or marks on surfaces. The ultra-long and extendable 8-stage telescopic rod design is the best product for cleaning the blinds, lighting equipment, ceiling fans, and transparent spider webs. You no longer need to move heavy ladders to and from it. It will make your cleaning work easier. Daily maintenance is also very simple. After use, remove the cleaning head from the telescopic rod. Wash it with warm water or low hot water. Let the microfiber fluffy and put it in a dry and ventilated place for the next use. We have also designed an extension rod base with a hanging to make access, process, and storage more convenient, which is a must for your home.